Okay, I'm Sangeeta Purushothaman from Bangalore, and I heard about this clinic from my friend Praveen, who came here for treatment in November. So he had a similar problem to me. He also had cartilage of the knee which was worn out, and he had a knee problem. Right? So that's my problem as well. So he said he had a good experience. So I decided I would also come here. And I came here on December 24th, 2025, and I've been here for 14 days undergoing treatment for the knee and as well as for the back. So, what we did initially was we took x rays and the diagnosis was done. And then we went through several forms of treatment over a period of 2 weeks. And one form of treatment was to do dhara, where oil was put on the lower half of my body, which gave me enormous relief. Yeah. And then the second half of the treatment was a different form of treatment, which was to build the muscles around the legs. And that too helped in strengthening the entire legs. On the top half of my body, there's extra weight. So we did a treatment called, which is referred to as the powder treatment. And there, because of that, I seem to have lost about 1.5 kgs in the last 2 weeks. So there's relief and there's less stress on my knee. After the treatment, I have found that initially I couldn't sit in Padmasana. Now I can sit in Padmasana. There was a pull on the tendon, and that pull has decreased, right? So now I can sit quite easily. Second thing is my knee also is in better shape. The pain is reduced. And finally, I've had a weight reduction, which is helpful. Yeah. So overall, it's been a very good experience. The staff here is friendly. The ambience is great. And then you get to meet other patients. The way it's constructed architecturally, there's people can come out into the corridors and talk to each other. At the time of lunch, dinner, breakfast, people come out. And then there is also the balcony upstairs where you can sit and relax after your treatment and sit with other patients and exchange notes and talk about the treatments and talk about what is working for them and working for us and so on. The staff is very friendly. So the place is really clean. So overall, it's a wonderful experience. Yeah. Thank you.